Great Day Live on WHAS 11 is sponsored by Family Select Insurance.
Hey, there are countless things we want in life that we don't necessarily need. A house on the beach, a grand piano, or putting a putting green rather in the backyard. That'd be awfully sweet. Those things get put on the back burner until we get the things we need in life, like insurance. It is possible to get both what you want and what you need. Kelly Turton with Family Select Insurance is here to explain. Nice to see you again, Mr.
Good
Kelly.
to see you, Terry. Yeah.
As always, I understand we're going to play a little. Well, let's start off with this. Insurance is the most important thing.
Well, it is important. I mean, we all need it. People don't like it. We have to admit that. But the thing is finding the best deal and the best coverage. That's really what it's all about.
Because when something goes awry in life, you're in a bad way if you don't have insurance.
Oh, absolutely. It can wipe you out. So, so to protect the family, you got to be on top of it.
Indeed. All right, we're going to play a little true-false game, I understand?
Yeah, these are some questions that we encounter in the office of people, misconceptions and stuff. And so hopefully it enlightens people.
All right, let's roll. You'll get a better price on your home or auto insurance if you have maintained continuous insurance without any gaps. True, false?
True.
True. Okay. I don't know. You're going to make sure. True.
True. Yeah. In fact, that's one of the biggest things that we run in our office is that.
Excuse me. I was going to go turn that monitor over there. Sorry about that. That was a little out of the way. Thank you.
We run into this in the office quite a bit. People don't understand that maintaining continuous insurance really affects the price. If you have any gaps, boy, that price can go up on you.
All right, indeed. All right, let's take a look at our next one on here. Purchasing lower amounts of home or auto insurance coverage will always result in a lower price. False. True.
You're right.
False.
You got it right the first time.
I don't know.
It's like, I don't know. No, actually, you're right. The continuous insurance, on the coverages, the lower coverages don't necessarily mean a lower price. We have companies that actually will give you a better price break with more coverages because they show responsibility on part of the customer. So they like to see that.
I'm glad you came in because I'd be flunking this final exam for sure. Let's see another one right here. Even though you may have a clean record, no claims, other people in your community may make the price you pay for home or auto insurance more expensive. I'm going to think yes. Yes, I was right on that one. Okay.
So that's true.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly right. As an example, a 35-year-old married male, such as yourself, is lumped in with other 35-year-old males or whatever the age category in your territory and your zip code. So you may be a perfectly great driver, but if a lot of those people have problems with their driving and a lot of claims, it's going to affect you.
All right, throw me another one. I'm going to get this one right. At least got to be 2 for 2. Different home and auto insurance companies have different ways to avoid paying a claim. I'm going to say that's true.
No, that's
I'm 1 in 3.
That's false. Well, you're doing good. You're doing good. Well, this is most people don't know this stuff, and that's what we want to do is clarify. Insurance companies don't have different ways of avoiding claims. They'd be in real hot water if they did that. There are ways that they do avoid paying claims, and they're legitimate reasons. For example, a material misrepresentation. In other words, you lied about something that is material to the insurance coverage. They can say, well, gee, you didn't tell us the truth. Like say you have a Rottweiler dog in your house and you didn't tell them about it. So that kind of a thing. But they can't just randomly say we're not going to pay a claim, or they'd be in hot water.
They would be, indeed. That's why it's smart to have a good insurance person who answers these questions. Clearly, a novice like me can't do that.
Well, we like to think so.
All right, if you have an auto or homeowner's insurance claim and your insurance company becomes insolvent, you can submit your claim to the state for payment. I have no idea.
Well, you got a 50-50 chance on that one, but that is actually true. All the states, most of them anyways that I'm aware of, have a little insurance guarantee fund. So if an insurance company were to go broke for some reason, you could file the claim with the state and that fund would pay for it. There's certain rules you got to follow. You have to do it in a timely manner and that type of a thing. But they actually will do that.
All right, we have time for one more here. Let's take a look. A home or auto insurance company that has a well-known name is usually better or safer than an insurance company with a little-known name. I don't know the answer to that one either.
Well, it's not. It's false. It's actually just because they have a well-known name is usually because they spend a lot of money advertising. They have certain criteria, certain fundamentals, certain rules that they have to follow, and if they're admitted in the state, they got to follow it. And so, just because they know a name, because you know the name, doesn't mean it's a better deal.
I'm probably not going to pass the insurance test today.
Well, that's why I'm here.
I appreciate you, Kelly, for that very reason. Listen, you can find Family Select Insurance at 6409 Dutchman's Parkway. They're online at familyselectinsurance.com or call 454-7283. That's 454-SAVE. Thank you, Mr. Turton.
All right, Terry.